Hi everyone, I'm from Regrob.com and today in this video we are visiting at Jain Heights Rain Forest project which is located in Devanahalli Yelahanka Bangalore. And here we are giving you the view of project from main connecting road. So this is the road in front of the project. This project is spread over 27 acres of land, and this project offers open plots. It has 46% open space. There are total 297 number of units. It's a RERA registered project. And here you can take a view of project surrounding. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can also call us at the number given in the description. Thank you.